So in the world of AI video generators, Google Veo 2 has been acing all the way. So now we've got some more unique ways you can create videos out of Google Veo 2. So whether you're talking about an influencer doing some brand collaboration, or let's just say you want to create some vlog style videos. So yeah, all and much more you can create now with Google Veo 2. And believe me guys, it's so much real that I bet you won't tell a difference like whether this is some AI generated video or some real one. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and explore Google Veo 2. Alright guys, so here I am in the homepage of Google Veo 2, and right off the bat you guys can see on their website we see some of the amazing samples that the community have made. And we see different categories in though, like this is some kind of a realistic shot, this is some of animals. You can also create like animated cartoons out of that, like whether it's animals, everything now you can create with Veo 2, right? So yeah, this particular AI video generator by Google can help you create like that type of unique shots that you have never imagined before. Like whether let's just say you're talking about AI influencer doing some kind of a tutorial of their brand, or let's just say if you want to create some vlog shorts. So all those type of things now you can do with Google Veo, right? So now your AI influencer thing could be real, you guys, right? So with the help of Google Veo 2, you can go ahead and create amazing influencer videos. You can create your AI influencer and earn millions of dollars out of that, you guys, right? So first of all, in the homepage of Google Veo 2, you have to go ahead and sign up on Video FX. So this will direct you to the labs.googlefx, and after signing in, you have to basically join the waitlist, in which Google will let you fill up a form. So after you are done with that, so they will give you a wait list for a time period, and after that you will get the access, right? So yeah, in this video we're gonna go ahead and review some of the unique samples that the community have created. So yeah, shout out to my buddy Jared Liu for creating and sharing some of the amazing samples, right? So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and review this Google Veo 2 AI influencer sample. Like, so yeah, take a look at this video, you guys. So yeah, take a look at this, you guys. This looks absolutely beautiful, right? So in the first shot, you guys can see we have some AI influencer who is sitting in some cafe and just reviewing or talking about something. I don't know, like maybe she could be reviewing the coffee she is drinking right now. And in the next shot, you guys can see we have AI influencer on the racetrack, and she is basically promoting some shoes brand. She's testing that out. She is running, and all the shots look absolutely amazing. Like, take a look at how beautiful and how realistic this looks, right? So everything now we used to see online, like the influencers are reviewing some product, they are collaborating. Now everything you can do with the help of this amazing AI video generator. So that is literally insane, you guys. So the next shot, we have a very beautiful footage of a guy who is basically shooting in a very close-up shot, and he is reviewing this Apple product. So yeah, this Apple product looks a bit funky. It's not some real product, but you can get an idea like how beautifully the head movements is. We don't see any deformation, there's no distortion in the video, and these samples turned out absolutely crazy, you guys, right? So the next one, we have this female AI influencer who is reviewing a lipstick brand, and take a look at how beautifully the facial expressions are, you guys, right? She's wearing that lipstick, she's holding that in her hand, and she is just talking about something, is talking about her collaboration with the brand. So yeah, that looks absolutely top notch, you guys, right? So in the last footage, we have this guy in his studio, and take a look at the background, like how realistic this looks. This looks like a real video, a real collaboration. Like, I'm literally amazed by the creativity of Google Veo 2. And this guy is basically reviewing some mouse, like some computer mouse. And yeah, the footage turned out to be absolutely crazy, you guys, right? Okay, so for the next example, and my most favorite, we have this Google Veo 2 vlog style video, right? So now any vlogs you used to see online, now you can create with the help of your own AI model, you guys. So let's just go ahead and take a look at this one. Okay, yeah, wow. So that looks absolutely fantastic. Like, take a look at how beautifully, we are getting that a little bit of a jitter. Like, obviously, when the model is walking, the camera moves a little bit up and down, right? So we get that movement. We get their hand holding the camera, and the influencers are talking. They are giving the hand gestures, like the lip movement. Everything is top notch, and you can basically use this video to further create AI lip sync videos and get amazing results. Like, I bet you guys, nobody will be able to tell you like whether this is some AI generated video or whether this is some real video. Like, that far the AI video generator has gone, you guys, right? Obviously, all shout outs to the Google Veo 2, right? And take a look at this person. He is sitting in some cafe, and the background looks good. We have that natural bouquet that we see in a vlog camera. This guy is talking, and we have another footage. This looks really, really good as well. And then we have this guy. He is sitting in a car, and take a look at how beautifully his hair is moving. And this guy is just walking, and in the background the people are running, is on a racetrack or something. Then this guy is in a football ground, and people are cheering in the background, and looks absolutely perfect. And then this last video, the best of all, this guy is just smiling at something, and the shot turned out to be really, really good. And the last one, yeah, that, like, all the samples of the vlog style videos are literally amazing, you guys, right? Like, I bet if you guys would be the judge, like, no one would have easily told like this is some kind of AI generated video. Like, it looks too real to be AI generated, you guys, right? Then for the last sample, we have this Google Veo 2 GoPro footage, and let's just go ahead and see how these turn out. So yeah, these GoPro footages turned out really, really amazing, you guys, as well, right? So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the exploration and a quick go through to the new model of Google Veo 2 that is live right now. But obviously, you have to join the wait list if you want to go ahead and use it exclusively. So yeah, I hope you like this a little brief about some of the demos of Google Veo 2, and I hope to see you in some other one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.